Why do you worship the ground I walk on? I should be killed. I am so tired. I am the Seagull. No, not that. I am an actress. And he's here. It doesn't matter. He laughed at the theater. He didn't believe in my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing myself. I lost heart. I couldn't act or think properly. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I lost control of my voice. Do you know what that's like when you know you are acting poorly? I became trivial and commonplace. And there were the trials of love, jealousy, and constant fear for my little one. I am the Seagull. Do you remember when you shot that seagull? You left it at my feet and said to me, I have an idea, a subject for a short story. A man comes along by chance because he has nothing better to do, kills it. What was I talking about? I was talking about acting. Yes, I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now. I act with rapture and delight. I feel drunk when I am on stage, and I think that I am wonderful. But if it's anything I've learned in our line of work, whether that's acting or writing, the most important thing, it's not fame, not glory, not which of that I dreamed of, but learning how to endure. I must bear my cross and have faith. Because if I have faith, it doesn't hurt as much. And when I think of my calling, I'm not afraid of my